So today I'll be making a small sled for my table saw. I'll start out with a piece of Baltic birch, 1/2 inch, and make some cuts with the saw. So now I'm going to make the runner. I use a piece of maple hardwood, and I found the easiest way is to take a piece of scrap and cut it to size to test fit it, and then to cut this piece. I'll run this one through. And my first try, I got it right on, so I can go ahead and cut the runner. So now with my test block, put it in there, and I can make a mark to measure the height. So my test piece is cut and it's flush to the table. So now I can go ahead and cut the runner. So here I'm ready to glue it all up. I have this piece, just going to use this as a shim. And this piece I cut off earlier will fit in the T-slot. And here's the runner. And the main platform. So it's ready for gluing. There, I'll let that sit for a while and come back and check it and then put some screws in it. So the glue is now dry, and I'll take away my 2 spacers. 1, 2. And now I'll just add a few screws. So here's the back fence, and it's ready to be put on. So I'll clamp it and put some screws in it. So I'll use my dowel indicator. It's got magnets on it. I'll place it on the table. And I will put a square on the table, and since this piece isn't attached yet, I will slide this back and forth until I get a nice reading. So that's too much. And that seems really good. So now I can add some additional screws. So here I have a little safety feature I made, and I will put it on here. So this is the other part. This fits in here. And when you push the sled, when it gets to the miter saw insert, it falls in the little hole. So that is my design for safety. So now I'm ready to cut the slot. So that's all for now. I didn't put a front fence on here because I'm gonna add some more features, and I'll show you that next week. So, but I'm very happy with the stop block. It works very good. It even locks over here. So I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see what I have for next week.